Recently, I saw Sana and Jisoo rocking this hairstyle, inward curl hairstyle, and honestly, everyone is obsessed, including me. So I thought, why not style it? For the makeup, I'm keeping it fresh and natural with a skin tint. I like to use the back of my hand as a palette. I apply it using my finger first, then blend it out with a beauty blender. Once that's all blended, I set everything in place using a pressed powder. Next, I set my brows so they stay in place, then go in with contour. I really don't like harsh line, so I blend it out really well. With the same brush, I softly blend some contour into my eyelids and even bring it down to my lower lash line. I add a little brown shimmer on the lids and blend it out with a fluffy brush, nothing too much. Then I create a soft aegyo-sal using a brown shadow and highlight that area along with the inner corners. Next, I curl my lashes and apply mascara. Then I add a pop of blush on my cheeks. For the lips, I line them and blend it out with my fingers and then apply my favorite Rom&nd lip tint. I highlight the nose bridge and tip of my nose and brow bone. For the eyes, I only line the outer and inner corners to give that subtle fox eye look. I did my hair off camera. Would you try this makeup with inward hairstyle? Let me know and tag someone who needs to see this. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to learn more beauty tips.